Did I just watch that bird's soul yeet itself out of existence? Yeah, let me break it down for you. That feathered missile you just saw? That's the Peregrine Falcon, aka the world's fastest dive bomber. These guys are literally everywhere. There's probably one giving your dog the side eye right now. And when they mean business, they hit 240 miles per hour straight out of the sky. That's 3 times faster than a cheetah and faster than an F1 car. Now, here's where it gets ridiculous. Instead of using claws like a normal bird, the falcon balls up its foot into a feathery fist and punches its target at full speed. Scientists literally call it the death punch. One hit and your brain reboots in another dimension. Most of the time, the victim doesn't even know what hit them. They're just flying 1 second, then seeing the afterlife the next. Honestly, I'd rather catch hands from Mike Tyson than a dive from one of these winged boxers. Moral of the story? Speed doesn't just kill, it punches first and asks no questions.